case which forced RJD chief Lalu Prasad to quit from the post of Bihar Chief Minister in 1997 has once again now come back to haunt him.
Well, in fact, the fodder scam is threatening to put an end to Lalu's political career, and with the uncertainty looming large over RJD chief's future, will his party fizzle out as a force in Bihar?
He was once known as the Raja of Bihar and Messiah for the backward.
हर के मन में इच्छा है, मायावती जी के मन में इच्छा है, सबके मन में इच्छा है और हमारे मन में भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने की इच्छा है.
Riding high on popularity, starting his political career with a thumping victory, Lalu Prasad lived a political reign of 15 long years. This intriguing character of Indian politics once ruled the state of Bihar as the chief minister, and then by proxy through his wife. But in a 360-degree turn for Lalu, today his supporters are praying for divine intervention as he is on the verge of a possible conviction.
महाभियोग लगाकर, भोग लगाकर, माँ का चुनरी चढ़ाकर उन्होंने से प्रार्थना किया कि हे माता रानी, आप हमारे लालू यादव को रिहा कराएं. और इस देश में नहीं, इस पूरे देश की जनता लालू यादव पर टिकी है और हम लोग न्यायालय पर विश्वास रखते हुए हमें पूर्ण विश्वास है माता भवानी की कृपा से कि लालू यादव कल रिहा होंगे. वह निर्दोष थे, निर्दोष रहेंगे.
सत्ता में रहते हुए जब जेल गए तो फिर उनकी तीसरी बार सरकार चुनी गई और बिहार में उसके सत्ता में वो बरकरार रहे और फिर अगर जेल जाएंगे तो नई ताकत के साथ उभरेंगे. हम तो चाहते हैं कि हमको उनसे कोई परवाह नहीं, अगर जाएंगे तो जाएं लेकिन जल्दी लौट आए, 1-2 महीना में लौट आए बिहार में घूमना भी.
And as the charges of the 17-year-old fodder scam stare Lalu in the face, he continues to put on a brave face.
And date is fixed for judgment. The Honorable Judge will deliver their finding and the judgment. So I am going there, date is fixed.
Even as his political fate hangs in balance, his family and the RJD leaders stand firmly behind him.
See, the fodder scam, it's nothing regarding about the money. It's just a political conspiracy. Whenever people are opposition, they see Laluji or Rashtriya Janata Dal, they are coming into the power, then they get alert and they just want to उनको तंग किया जाए लालू जी को.
जो व्यक्ति FIR करता है वो आदमी कॉन्स्पिरेसी चार्ज में जो है एक तरह से अभियुक्त हो गया.
But at the end of the political spectrum, chorus for his conviction only growing louder.
They tried to implicate my family members. And one of my family members had to leave Patna and need to migrate and left his business in Bihar. He was a very successful running a business in Bihar. So he had to migrate from Bihar to Bihar. And even in the Bihar assembly, they physically attacked me in the assembly.
For a person who wished to become a prime minister not too long back is now facing a virtual political dead end. Will he sail through this or will his son step in to save the sinking legacy? Bureau Report, Times Now.